Welcome back to the Big Reviews channel. Today I should say welcome to the OneBlade Club, and let's get started with the app. Why is that? Because Philips is showing the new style OneBlade shaver, and today I want to show you how you can start being more professional than before with this shaver and every shaver which you had at your home. The new good idea starts from the package of this shaver. We can see that this is very simple box, easy to recycle, which is good idea in my opinion. I can start showing you the Philips OneBlade shaver, but I can't do that just yet because this is OneBlade Club, and here we begin with the app. Welcome to the OneBlade Club. Get started with the daily care app. So here we start. It's very simple. On the box you will find the QR code. You just open your camera in your smartphone, just scan this one. You will see link which will direct you to the downloading page, and you can download from Apple Store or Google Play Store. This is simply to download this app, believe me. When you open the app, you can easily pair your shaver by selecting the model and turning your shaver. It's just basically here, you just click, we'll start flashing, and we'll find your shaver. Let's open the box and see what we get with this Philips shaver. In the box, this is OneBlade. What you will get is Philips OneBlade shaver. Amazing one. Unique OneBlade from Philips. This is very unique trimmer. Here in the first box you will see 3 different types of combs for different parts of body, for different type of shavings and trimmings, which I will be talking later. And here you have dessert. They never forgot Philips about dessert, and for dessert you will have to charge your trimmer, which I will talk about later, and also you will have manual. And this manual is very unique, and I'm going to tell you about this as well later. This all should be in your box. Okay, but for what we need this app for? That's good question, brother. If you are using this shaver for beard, this app will provide excellent feature. With this app, you can gain access to control panel to monitor your shaver. For example, you will be able to see the battery status and more. But first, let me ask you, do you like this kind of videos? Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you to you, I will be able to help you more in this future about products which you maybe were looking for. This Philips app will let us know when our shaver, whatever you call the OneBlade, needs to be charged. I think this is really cool, because why I can see when the battery is low without the app because it stopped working. It's not easy to know when the trimmer should be replaced. That's why in here in the OneBlade, the app will help us a lot and will notify us that we must to change the trimmer. And definitely about the app will record different video, but I need to tell you that you have also another great features with this app, like symmetry. This will let you check and will help you to shave your beard exactly how you want it. How this works, it's very easy. I will show you this in next video. I know that you're waiting for. I want to show you now how to set up this Philips OneBlade, and let's check how it works. So first you need to install this one. This is unique OneBlade. Just simple open. Bah. Okay, this blade has been designed to not hurt your skin. Look at this. You can see this blade? Look amazing. It moves 12,000 times per minute. Yes, 12,000 times per minute. Can you imagine? And with this high precision, we shave your beard without even touch your skin. When you shave with this one blade, your skin will be smooth without any irritation. I know not everyone wants to shave down to zero. Don't worry, we have more options here. The first box will be for you. You have here, this is the comb with 5 length settings, allowing you to trim beard with different length up to 5 mm, which means millimeters. We have also comb for body grooming that won't hurt your skin. This is very good for underarms, and for sensitive areas you have this one. All of these combs are amazing, but what even more is impressive, that all combs are replaceable, and the app will notify us when the trimmer needs to be changed. Don't worry, this isn't just marketing to making money of us. The big reviews can tell you that the OneBlade can last up to 4 months or more, so you don't need to be worried. I'm talking about this one specific. They will easily be working without any notification for 4 months, and after 4 months you can get notification, but if you're not using so much, can enough for even more. It definitely depends how you're gonna use it. Shaving, but what about the battery? It's not much information, to be honest, on the box about the battery. However, I find this is good for 60 minutes for long time shaving, and its charging time to the full battery should be no more than 4 hours. So 4 hours to use 60 minutes with long shave. What more you should know about this Philips OneBlade is everything in the manual. I know I don't discover Discovery Channel, but I definitely discover that you have very good specify how to use every single comb and how to properly install, okay? Because every different combs, which I show you the 3 you can use in different parts of body and if different moves. Some you can up and down, some only just up. So it's very good to check this really manual, so you will learn how to use it properly. We have totally new way to shave and trim our beard and body. This shaver does amazing job and is very unique with the app that helps you manage when you should change the blade, or allowing to study your face to create the best shape for your beard. Really cool. And I will cover this about the app because it's really a lot there in the next video. So don't forget and click subscribe now. If you did, you will see and will enjoy with the app together. I also want to recommend more shavers and reviews that you should check out in next video. You can see on the screen, I recorded already good Philips shavers. So if this is not for you, don't worry, I will find something for you in my other videos. Just click here or here where you see the screen and watch. Or if you're watching in your phone, maybe it's below this video, recommendation for my another Philips shavers, and choose the best one for you. Thanks for today.